My name is Chef Sorensen. I run the Culinary Arts program at Seaside High School, and the 3 volunteers are in my advanced culinary class. We have come out here today to teach little children how to cook, or at least how to put together something. This is our Culinary Enrichment program.
I think when I was younger, I would have loved this. Also, well, you learn some skills and you have fun doing it. Would have been something good to experience.
Okay, wait. Okay.
I'd be waiting for my mom to cook, come home and cook. And if I had this program, I would have been able to cook for myself. And
I think every single kid enjoys this program and has fun, and I have fun with it too.
This is our pilot year, but it's been so well received. We've had other invites from other schools, so hoping to expand next year.
I have maple on my
My wonderful director has authorized us to go ahead and continue the program next year.